What is happening in Gaza has shaken the conscience of the world. People killed while begging for food. Mothers holding lifeless babies. These images are simply catastrophic. So I want to start with a very clear message. Man-made famine can never be a weapon of war. For the sake of the children, for the sake of humanity, this must stop. It truly pains me to say these words, and I know that for many citizens, Europe's inability to agree on a common way forward is equally painful. They are asking how much worse things must get before there is unity in response. I understand, because what is happening in Gaza is unacceptable, and because Europe must lead the way, just as it has done before. But, of course, Europe needs to do more. The Commission will do all that it can do on its own. We will put our bilateral support to Israel on hold. We will stop all payments in these areas without affecting our work with Israeli civil society or Yad Vashem. Second, we will make 2 further proposals to the Council. We will propose sanctions on the extremist ministers and on violent settlers. And we will also propose a partial suspension of the association agreement on trade-related matters. I am aware it will be difficult to find majorities. And I know that any action will be too much for one and too little for others. But we must all take our own responsibility. Parliament, Council, Commission. My third point, we will set up a Palestine donor group next month, including a dedicated instrument for Gaza reconstruction.